10728 Gooding. We need a new front porch. The whole thing is falling down. Steps are falling down. Soffit's falling down. Neighbor's house is not the prettiest. So we need a new front porch. Siding's in good shape. Soffit needs some love. Got a lot of trash in the backyard. Back of the house, that tree needs to be trimmed way back. Looks like we got a newer electric meter. Gutters are falling off in the back. And get a good angle of the front porch sagging real hard here. Yeah, that's probably got a 30-degree slope on it. Walking on the inside. Someone's falling down there. It's an old one. Needs a good bit of sanding, floors. Looks like I fixed some plumbing, but definitely want to check all that out. Needs a new kitchen. Turn that into a pantry. Floor's lopsided here. Heading upstairs. And then let's work. That's flooring. Bathroom. We can save the toilet and the tub, and that's about it. Big bedrooms. Needs a new fan. Needs a new door. Ooh, creepy attic. Roof has been patched. There's a tarp on the roof. This is probably going to be a no for me. Yeah, definitely needs new windows because none of them actually lock. I love the size of these bedrooms. What in the hell? They've been patching some stuff here. Needs new doors. This is a hard no for me. It's way too much work. Needs a new frame around that door. Working furnace. That's always a good sign. A dry basement. That's even a better sign. Have not seen too many of them lately.